Hey guys, and today I'm going to show you my saves part 2. Sorry if it's really short right now. So first, a car. Yeah, it's an ugly car but with no wheels. And next, the pit. This is the pit for a test subject. Now come here. Okay, this guy will be our test subject. Turn around, please. Turn around. Turn around. Okay. Now this guy, is gonna fall into this pit. Ooh, broken bones. Yeah, I know this guy is cool. This pit is cruel. Yeah. And this pit is for bad guys. This guy just made my mom hit by a tree. Look at his cruel melon. Can't even stand up now. Well, for that, I'm gonna give you a punishment. I'm gonna give you a punishment you've never had. I'm gonna trap this goofy goober. Where is he? Where is he? Oh yeah, boy. I'm gonna trap you. You'll never escape. What you gonna feel about that, huh? Oh my God, isn't that